topic is design and analysis of compact counterflow heat exchanger. And the configuration is a counterflow double pipe heat exchanger chosen for its superior thermal effectiveness compared to parallel flow arrangements. Objectives are heat domestic water from 26 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius approximately. Using solar fluid at 75 degrees Celsius. Length is less than or equal to 2 meter and cost is approximately 1500. Rule to base parameters defining the physical geometry and fluid properties of the heat exchanger. And the inner diameter is 18 mm, which is 0.0818 meter. Outer diameter is 26 mm. Length is 1.2 meter. Inlet temperatures, cold fluid water, it is 26 degrees Celsius. Hot for hot fluid, solar, 75 degrees Celsius. Fluid properties, parameter is hot fluid and cold fluid. So, mass flow rate for hot fluid is 0.035 kg per second. Cold fluid is 0.060 kg per second. Heat transfer coefficient is 850 watt per meter square Kelvin. For cold fluid, 490 watt per meter square Kelvin. And the specific heat for hot fluid is 3500 joule per kg Kelvin, and the specific heat for cold fluid is 4186 joule per kg Kelvin. Heat transfer and effectiveness. So heat transfer, after calculating, the formula for heat transfer is Q equals to mCp delta T, and the value we got is 6028, and the maximum, which is Q max, is 6002, and effectiveness is approximately 0.99. The CC is 251.60 watt per Kelvin, and CH is C hot is 122.5 watt per Kelvin. C minimum is 122.5. C max is 51.60 cold fluid. NTU or overall U and area calculation. Capacity ratio is 0.48 and the NTU is 4.5. Counterflow relation. Overall U is 3 watt per meter square Kelvin. From convection, required area is 1. Capacity ratio is 0.487. Overall heat transfer coefficient is 311 watt per meter square Kelvin. The required area is 1.77 meter square. The NTU effectiveness methods links thermal performance to physical area, revealing the gap between what is needed and what is available. Design evaluation and cost. So area comparison, parameter value and status. Area required is 1.77 meters square. Available area is 0.068 meters square, which is insufficient, and the total cost is 540. It is within 1500. Mild steel pipes. Inner pipe is of rupees 240 plus outer pipe is 300, which gives 540 total, and the low cost adequate strength readily available. And glass wool insulation reduces heat loss to surroundings, improves overall efficiency, and is highly economical. Justification, limitations, and conclusion. Proposed improvements: add fins and adopt a multi-pass or coil tube designed to increase effective area. Switch to copper pipes, higher conductivity if budget allows. Use PU foam insulation for superior heat retention. My steel is at rupees 540, is well within budget, low cost, strong and widely available. Final conclusion, thermal in, final conclusion is the design meets the cost constraints but is thermally insufficient in its current form. Structural modification through enhanced surface area and superior materials is essential